Hey guys, this is Alex still back with ModShapes, and right now I'm doing a quick video to show you the final version of the dial indicator mount that I printed to fit on my Tevo Tornado. Now, the first version that I had that fit pretty good, it had a little problem when I attached it. It was a little too much play. So I've released this again. The new models are up on Thingiverse right now, and here you can see it in action. I'm pretty excited about it. Don't pay any attention to the state of that build plate. I'm gonna rip that build tack off as soon as I can. I'm just trying to squeeze as many prints as I can before I have to take that step. But as you can see, this indicator is giving me an accurate depiction of what's going on with that bed. And the next step is going to be, of course, to come up with some G-code that's automatically going to position things for me. But until then, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and see you soon.